Yep, testing. Yep, there you go, Marcella. Alright, okay. This is my tram experience. Marcella needs to catch the train in 6 minutes. At the moment, 2 minutes, yeah. So, well, hold on. So, okay, so if we were to get out of Canary Wharf, how long would it take us to get to, you know, the actual train?
Man, I'm leaving you behind if I have you.
I'm recording this shit, bro. Oh, man.
Plus side, we did upload our course notes, so...
Oh, fuck, bro. If you miss the train, we're taking the night off.
I'm taking the night bus, man. I got angry bus.
Oh, shit, there's a reflection in there. You can see me from there, huh? Yeah, my tram. My tram experience.
I have 1 minute. I have 1 minute, man. I am going to jet. I don't even care.
Alright, cool. Marcello is gonna run for his life.
I am quite literally. I have.
Canary Wharf. Oh, that's not Canary, it's Haven Keys, yeah.
Oh shit.
Alright. Ready, Marcello?
I am ready, bro. Kind of.
I'll record and I'm gonna make sure. Marcello, where are you going? My legs are going. Marcello, please don't leave me. Alright. You know what? Fuck this, bro. I'm walking. I'm walking. Alright, bye. I'll see you tomorrow, yeah? Shit, he legged it. Don't think he's gonna wait for me. Shit, I'm on my own. Oh well. Hello. Fuck. Oh man. Oh. Still recording. Fuck. Shit, what? Fucking escalator, it's so tiring.
Ladies and gentlemen, there are no more westbound trains from this station. The last westbound service to Central London has already departed. There are no more trains for Central London.
Oh shit. Marcella? Fuck. By myself. Oh well. Oh man. Stratford. 2 minutes. Get in there. Haha.